once again, I would like to communicate to the people who are here witnessing this occasion. And what I want to say is this. The Mahjong is already starting its procession, and it is taking, they are the onlookers, that are the women who are seated here to witness a spectacle. And the spectacle is coming from the fact that there is a dignitary of the Oku land that has died, and he is honored. And that is why you can see so many people in the foreground, and that is why you see everybody is smiling and mourning, because he has lived his lifetime as somebody who has seen his generation and the generation to come after him. So that's why you can see the mixture of the people, and everybody present is like waiting to see that Dad is put to the ground. And when he is put to the ground, that is an honor too, to show that he is supposed to go to the land of the ancestors. And the land of the ancestors is showing that when you have grown in the well, you are so going to pass to the next well, and that is going to the biblical, to the African culture, and then to everybody who lives. So as I'm going back to the Mahjong group, I am going to ask some people some of the questions that I'm not able to have answers of these questions by myself. As we are seeing the Mahjong at the background, they keep on chanting, singing, and talking, and making sure that everything is going according to the schedule and according to the tradition of this land of Oku. The land famously called the Kongmote land, the land that everybody honors, and this is the people of the Kongmote clan that are trying to make sure that they keep the promise of their ancestors. So there is going to be this tradition that is going to be maintained as long as some of us who are here live. So as I'm going to be going around and going through the graveyard, I'm going to be asking some of the questions that I'm not able to get answers by myself. And I'm going to see one of the friends of Dad who is standing here, and the camera is pointing at him, and very soon I'm going to ask him so many questions. Chakta wa babe. O kokta mingwichi. Yeah, sangles yana wa ba. Ba lu na blo va tesen. Na ba na lu we je na wa. Na lu ba vie. Keno ka ba va tsen se lu na ka lu kan ko mo. E kong. Wala kong wala je na win kong wan no win. Yoga no ka ya pemba ab nyinga chia. Baise. So can you look at what in the bar law, no loss of Swiss when a bar Swiss as a leg and a luna tomb or anything like that? Can you look at a bar and one of them look at bars to buy something? Yeah. So Jim looking and I look at the good. So Balu chair, Mbam. No Balu chair. No Balu, no Kuimelech, no link pen. Kafu kanu akwa nga ba ku election line na ba ku ka gele ku nche loe kanu ka ba ku ga gele ku nche lo be su wa me su du ko ma ya me tin so ya then e ku dia won kan de ke kong ni ya bi ne ka do blue no ka ku line bi no chi man ka we se lo chi ani ku be ke we se bi will abi lu se bi no bi lu se so ku so ma be la ka when lo za ke ba vie, que baka kable vie. Na ba lo sungen ku we bi wa ma bi pan so wen ma lo bi pe ma ja yen we be ta de lu na ba su ge lu we sia ta njo. No ki na ya tawa. So tawa ku ki na ka bu pen pen le lu fu mo lu so lo mo lo e. Lu fu ne choro ma nyong se le lu se le ka bo ku ji yo ka so lu fu le. Yeah, bella ka gele women. Ele lo mo to bile wayen ko kum na kam na se lo tong te. le lo mo tin kiye kok to bi se su ge gan we lo vi kap chi chi ya ne ye kenga se le mo wen se ka we se lo kan ka kuma se le mo we lo wen so ya se le chi gen kilo bu ta ma kok to bi bi pam no le se le ya ge na ka lo chi kan no se su ja su ne ba be ma chak to ya so kan no ka ya so ko lo sung ni pe ji wa lo chi ka ge le chi ya sung ne kan no lu ka lo lo kwa te lo wa su ka lo su ja su mo wa le si mo bli ko bua
no ka ma lo ma su Alo wil. Ne na de do sa sang le. Ne do ko wil jim dien chi ne ba. Wil dim kan dien chi ne ba. Ka tu che ya lu kan la ka tum tum na ga bi. De
tung ne me yo me le ya ba.
So as a pointer. Se wa ko kui.
Yeah.
De ke anu be aki no ga bi. Wada ka ne no ga ne bi. Lu ne tang me tang me. Ya lo tang me. Ko bien. Ya lu a ji. Ko ne ya ne. We ya ne no ga. Pero ko ga bi. Ya ko me asu ni ne. Ta bu ko ga bi ko bi ni. Chi ko se ne. Da ma yin ko lo. Ko Jesus Christ. Ko bi ni chi. Ni chi ko. Se ne le ka ya no na ni ni chi. Ko ne ni chi mo le. Ko ne no. Ko ma na ka da. Ne ko ne ni lo ka ni le. Ko ne le ba. Yeah.